Hello everyone. How to start today? Let's discuss about how to start in tech, even if you have no experience. Are you thinking of starting a STEM career, or maybe you want to start a test? You want to start a tech career. You want to start maybe creating content. You want to start um, coding, you want to start, just like anything, you have passion for technology. So the good news is that tech is for everyone. Everyone is welcome. So today let's rub minds together and discuss the way forward as per what you can do to get started in tech. So you can ask me any question, anything you want to know how to start tech. So I think the first thing I will say is that if you want to start in tech, the first thing I will say is that you must first discover your interest. Tech is wide, very wide. So you need to look at what interest do I have? Which aspect of tech, uh, which aspect of tech do I really like? Which part of it do I like? So you need to first do that. Then you now, because it is quite wide, you have lot of things. You have those that are software developers. Their own job is coding and programming. So if you're interested in coding and programming, you can now say, oh, I want to go for software development, because tech is a big word. It's not like maybe I want to go into tech, you just want to do one thing. No, there are lots of things to do when you want to go into tech. So many of them, so many of them. So you can be maybe UI, US design. That means you want to be the one to design the layout of the website, or app, how it looks like, or how it should be look like, the buttons and everything. You may be very good at designs and think that, okay, what I want to do is that since I like designs, I can draw, I can paint, I'm good at drawing and painting. You can actually decide to go for that. So you have to first know what your interest is. You have to discover what do you like doing without stress. Also, you can say, okay, I want to be protecting the data of people. I want them to be safe online. You want to go to cybersecurity. That's another one. You can decide to go into cyber security if that's what you want and that's what you want to go for. You can go for that also. And also you can say, okay, I just want to be solving people's problem. Maybe when my mouse is not working, my keyboard is not working, I'm not connected to the internet. Oh, can you help me troubleshoot this system? I want to upgrade my system. You just want to be solving people's problem. That's IT services. You just want to be rendering anything that has to do with IT. You want to be rendering services to people. So that's another thing you can do if that's what you want to do. Okay, you can also say, I want to go into data science, which means anything that has to do with data. There are lots of people that are good with their calculations. They love anything calculation. So this feed is for you. You can see that we have so many of them. And you know that there are still some of them that you don't even need to like know anything about ICT or technology or tech before you do. You can be also a content creator, because even content creators, they need tech also. Most of the devices they use are tech inclined. Most of the things they need to do are tech inclined. They just need technology. They need to have the knowledge of technology to make it easier, better, and productive. So you can just say, okay, that's the aspect I want to go into. There are people that write content for people. They are That's part of tech. That's what they do, and that's what they like doing. You are very good at writing. You are good at writing. This will be very good for you because you already know how to write. You can write for companies, you can help people to write their content and some other things. So that's another aspect of tech that you can go into. You can help people, lot of people, there are skills, lot of skills that you don't even need much to do. So we are talking about how do you start? Where do you want to start from? The thing is that you can learn some of these basic some of these basic skills for free, because there are skills that it may not be too complex. Basic of everything, you can learn it for free without paying. I think that's where you should start from. At least when you learn the basic, you start going into advanced, little by little, little by little, and before you know it, you are already there. So where do you learn from? You can learn from Harvard's CS50, Introduction to Computer Science. So you don't need to pay huge amount. Harvard has made some courses available for free, for free, for free. So go to their website, you see this course CS50, CS50, Introduction to Computer Science is free. You don't need to pay. Have you seen it? So you can start from basic. Then if you go to FreeCodeCamp, you have free resources on web development and coding. Anything, anyone. You want to learn HTML, you want to learn CSS, you want to learn JavaScript, you want to learn Python, you want to learn so many of them. So many of them, they are there. So any one of them that you want to learn, you are actually free to learn it without any problem. So we have other platforms like Coursera, Udemy, then they have affordable tech courses. They have affordable tech courses that you can at least have access to learn. You have access to them and to learn. You can learn for free. Some of them are free. Some of them you just need to pay a token to do that. Okay. Another thing is that even after learning all these things from this website, learning is great. And practicing is the key. If you say, I've learned this thing, you just sit down, fold your hands, and you're not doing anything, you are not practicing it, then you will forget it easily. Very, very easy. You will forget it. So when you practice what you have learned, no matter how small it is, no matter how small it is, practice. Build a simple website from what you have been taught, no matter how simple it is, even if it is just one sentence, two sentences, three sentences, just build something. Create a simple website. Build a simple mobile app. A simple mobile app. Also, design a landing page. If your own is designing, just design a simple one. Don't bother about maybe you'll be criticized, or hey, I'm not doing this thing well, or maybe it's not perfect. Don't look at perfection. You're a beginner, a starter. So don't look for perfection anywhere. So instead, just do it. Don't look for perfection. So you can also solve coding challenge, can just see a particular challenge, a particular problem, then you try to solve it. As you are solving it, you are learning. I've learned so many things through solving a problem as a person. I've learned, before when I started learning how to code, what I'll do is that I'll practice and practice. Many times I'll get it wrong, but I don't even care. I'll just continue until when I got there, when I start building small, 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 even if it's just a single page. I use my all my resources and my tools just to see what I can do. And at the end of the day, I'll see an improvement over what I've done before, or over what I could do before. So another thing that can help you is to join tech communities. Join tech communities of people of the same mind, of the same spirit, people that love tech, people that are doing great in tech, people that are knowledgeable about tech. Not even knowledgeable, because the truth is that when you have a problem, you put it in a tech group, there are lots of people there to answer you, to give you answer to what you are looking for. They are all there to help, not to intimidate, or not to feel like I see this one a beginner, not to criticize you. No, they are there to help you. Because if you say you want to learn alone, you may not go far. When you learn with people, then you have a great speed. Also, uh, you can join groups, maybe like Facebook group that has to do with tech. You can join groups on LinkedIn. You can join groups, or on LinkedIn and Twitter. You can follow industry experts. You can follow industry experts, people that are already doing well. Most of them, they are ready to train people, to help people, to bring people up to speed. So you can just look for them. Then you can be part of tech meetups and hackathons. Hackathons build you. You are given a project to do, even though you know how to do it or not. As you are trying, as you are building, before you know, even most of the things today, most of the websites online today, they are built through hackathon. So you can join meetup, join hackathon. Those things are to build you. They are to build you. So you can also apply for internships. You can apply for internships, because what internship does is that you will learn as you are doing it. You already have people that are good at what they do, that are more knowledgeable. As you work together, you work with them, they start putting you through, they start helping you, and before you know it, you're already there. That's what they do. That's what they do. So you can go through internship. Don't look at, I always tell so many people that sometimes don't look at money, but look at the knowledge you will get from internship because it's very important. That knowledge can fetch you a lot of money later. It may not be immediately. You might not get immediate reward, but with time, you will surely get it. So you can apply for entry level internship. You can do a freelance work on Upwork or Fiverr. They will help you. They will build you. You come through challenges, you will solve them. So those are the things you can do. Then you can volunteer to build a website or app. Can be a volunteer. What volunteering does is that it helps people a lot because you are just a volunteer. Nobody is expecting um, maybe a big thing from you, but as you are volunteering, you are also learning. You are building your future. You are learning. You are acquiring more knowledge. That's what it is. So when you volunteer, you are helping people, you are solving a problem. But the truth is that as you are solving that problem, you are solving your own problem too at the same time. So that's what volunteering does. So in all these things that I've said now, there's something I would say is that stay consistent and keep learning. Stay consistent. Stay consistent. Don't give up at any point in time. Don't say, I'm not making it, I'm not making progress, I'm not doing it well, what I'm doing is not useful. No, no matter the challenge, just keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Be consistent because if you are not consistent, you start today and drop tomorrow. You pick yourself again, you start say, that's that thing happens to me. But thank God I'm not in that level again. So please, you need to be consistent. You need to continue. Continuity is very important. So keep learning. Set small goal for yourself every week. Set small goal every week. Just look at it. Don't give up. Even if you are not able to meet up your goal, doesn't matter. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep learning. So this is very important. It's very important for you to achieve greater things in life and to get started. Getting started is very important. Just no matter what, don't wait for that big time to start. Now is the time. Start now. Anyone you want to do, even anyone, no matter how small, then always celebrate your wins. Don't look at it that what have I done? People can do more than this thing that I've done. No, doesn't matter. What matter is what you are able to do. So celebrate your wins. Celebrate your wins. Stop procrastinating. Now is the time to start doing something. Now is the time. Don't wait. Don't wait. Don't wait tomorrow. Don't wait tomorrow because tomorrow may be too late. Today is the day. You want to start that online, free online tools that can help you, that can get you started. So many of them. So don't give up. There's no room for giving up. Just stay consistent. Continue. Continue. Whether people see what you are doing or not, just do what? Continue. That continuity is very important. It's very, very important. Don't give up. Don't give up. Okay. Have a nice day. I don't know. Anytime you see this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel for more insightful videos, for more videos that can help you to get started in tech. See you next time. Bye.